Single elimination is a type of elimination determines the winner by eliminating the loser in every match until there is one team left. It is the easiest and fastest way to declare a winner. We can use single elimination when the number of entries is large, when the time is short, when the number of playing venue is limited. In computing the number of games, we are going to use the formula in single elimination, G equals n minus 1, where G stands for the number of games and n stands for the number of entries. In computing the number of buys, we're going to use buy equals p squared minus n, where p is the least power of 2 higher than n with a fixed value 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, so on and so forth. And n stands for the number of entries. Now, let's define what is buy. So, buy entitles a team to advance to the next round without playing, or they're able to play during the second round. So, let's say, for example, there are 6 participating teams in softball. Okay, so we're going to use the formula G equals n minus 1. So we're going to replace n with 6 since n stands for the number of entries. So 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. So there are 5 games. Now, we are going to compute the number of buys. So we're going to use the formula buy equals p squared minus n. So we're going to replace p squared with 8. Then, minus 6, number of entries. So, there are 2 buys in 6 participating teams. Now, in making the diagram, so first step is we're going to assign letters to the teams. Okay, so let's say, for example, team A, B, C, D, E, F. Next step is we're going to assign what particular team ang atoang himuong buy. Okay, so let's say for example A and F, so sila ang buy. Okay, in the next step, we are going to choose kinsa ang magdula for the first game and second game for the first round. So this part here is the first round, next here is the second round, and then the final round. Okay, so for the first round, I'm going to choose for the first game, Team B versus C. And then for the second game, Team D and E. Okay? So after the game, we're going to declare who will be the winner for the game 1 and 2. So let's say, for example, for the winner 1, okay, letter B ang winner. And then for the game 2, si letter D. Okay. Now, for the second round, so since Team A and F ang na-declare nga bye, so we're going to assign na naman who will be the team nga mag-play for the third game and fourth game. So for the first round, so ang last nga nagdula is Team D and E, no? So next is, so since si D and E ang last nga nagdula, make sure nga ang sa next round nga magdula is si letter A and B, since katatapos lang man ni D and E nga magdula, so napa siya time nga mag-rest. So, ato ang i-assign nga for the third game is si letter A and B. Okay? And then, for the game number 4, letter D versus F, Team D and Team F. So, this is the game number 4. And then, right after, let's say for example, game number 3, si A ang nidaog. And then, game number 4, si D ang nidaog. So, A versus D, sila ang magduwa for the final round, which is the game number 5. Okay, so let's say, for example, si A ang nahimong champion. Now, kung i-check ninyo, so, sa formula nga ato ang ganiha for the single elimination, di ba? G equals n minus 1. So, there are 5 games. So, i-check po ninyo dani, sa bracketing system kung niabot ba gyud siya og 5 games.